3, go!
No ja, to je težko reči, ne. Kakim dobrim novico, recimo, ne.
Je dovolj smeha v družbi, kaj menite?
Ne, smeh v družbi je zelo premalo smeha, ne. Moralo bi ga biti na kubike, pa ga niti na kvadratni, ne.
A pa današnja konkurenca je bila kar huda, ne?
Ja, moram priznati, kar huda, res. Da sem bil kar vroč, kola imam vročino, ne, se mi je zdelo, ne. Res je.
Smrčeči sneg.
To metanje po tleh pride to res tako spontano, ali ste si malo že preračunali, kaj boste naredili?
Ja, ti gibi so kar nekako delno spontani, delno pa seveda mogoče malo naigrani, ampak v bistvu nisem niti enega treninga imel, ne.
Do you think that there is enough laughter in our today's society?
No, I think that people are too serious, and that's why we do this, to try to bring more laughter into the world, and I think it works.
How very different is laughter in Slovenia compared to other countries?
Slovenia is a world leader in laughter, partly because of the work of Simona Krebs, and the Slovenian Laughing Championship is probably the wildest one on earth. It really is a crazy championship. So Slovenia is a world leader in laughter, something to be proud of.
Smešnimi smešnimi, najbolj smešni.
Na koga ste mislili, ko ste izvajali svoj seksi smeh?
Pa jaz lahko izvajam tudi, če ne mislim na koga. Meni je to ful smešno vse, rada se smejem in ni mi problem se smejati. Tako da ni problem.
Tako da v življenju redno trenirate?
Ja, seveda. Jaz sem taki smehec.
Jaz sem največji hudič.
Za mene je smeh vse, kar je lepega, kar ni slabega na koncu konca, kajti smijemo se lahko tudi, ko smo žalostni, recimo, ne? To je potem recept za boljšo voljo.
So when did you start the movement, had the idea to start this kind of competition?
I went to a UFC fight with, and I saw two of the fighters start laughing when they were trying to hurt each other. And I realized that when people look at each other, they either want to fight or they want to laugh. And we know all about the fighting. We have enough fighting, so I thought, why not have a laughing championship instead of a fighting championship?
So what do you think about today's competitors? How good were they?
They really were fantastic, almost everyone. The winner is exceptional. What was weird about it was when he did the first one, I thought this guy is terrible, he's going to get eliminated. And he switched, he changed, and I think the right person won. He really is a tremendous laugher, he's very funny, and he brought a real spirit of Slovenian laughing to the contest.